Do you want to build a strong back using a resistance band? I'm going to show you an exercise that you can do using a loop band. I'm going to anchor this band low. I want my feet to be right under the band, so the band is right up against my shins, so the band is pulling straight down. Reach down, grab the band, and here's where I want you to set up first. You're going to grab directly onto the band. You're going to push your hips back so your back is flat. So this is putting all that tension through your hamstrings and your glutes, along with the large muscles in your low back, rather than putting it on the joints of your spine. You're engaging that core. So I want you to push, think about your stomach pushing out like a balloon, out to the sides, so that engages that transverse abdominis, that core muscle. So I'm gonna push my stomach out to the sides, turn on my core. From here, I'm gonna stand up, pulling against that band. This is just like a deadlift exercise, but I'm using the band rather than any sort of weight to give me that resistance. So the advantage on doing it with a band is down here, I have a little bit less resistance where I can make sure I can keep good technique through the entire movement. Now, if you like this content and want to see more, I host a live stream on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, where we do exercises like this together live. So, hope to see you there.